Greetings explorers, welcome to Crafting Basics, Beveling. For this video we're going to be going over the general idea of beveling an edge of leather in order to water seal it, as well as clean up that edge that was cut. For this part you will need a beveler, water, saddle soap, a sponge, a wood slicker, and usually thick leather. A beveler comes in different sizes and shaped heads, usually varying in order to allow for different sizes of a beveled edge. When using a beveler, you want to hold it slightly angled along the leather, that way the blade that is in the groove can catch the leather. You'll start at one end of the leather and work your way across by pushing lightly and sliding along the corner of the edge. Try not to push too hard or you'll tweak the head of the beveler. Your goal is to have a nice thin strip of leather peel away from your main piece, from one end to the other. If it doesn't peel in a single piece, don't worry. Just move your beveler a little bit back and continue, aiming to recatch the edge of it where it chose to hop off. This could mean you need to adjust the angle of your beveler, the amount of pressure you're applying. Maybe try a different but similar beveler. Or your leather is just being finicky. Depending on the project, you may only do half an edge, but in order to have a nice clean curved edge, bevel both sides. Once you're done beveling, we move on to the step where the edge actually smooths out. Getting the sponge a bit wet, enough where it moistens the leather but is not drenched and dripping, we then run it along a section of an edge we've beveled. Don't run it along all edges because it may dry out before you reach it with the other steps. After you get a part of an edge wet, take your saddle soap and run along the wet section. The final step is to then run your wood slicker over the edge to smooth it out for a nice curved edge. If you don't have a wood slicker, a piece of cardboard does work as well when folded in half and ran over the edge. From here, you rinse and repeat until you finish all the edges. And that concludes this Crafting Basics video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one, as well as our bigger leathercraft projects. Our leathercraft projects occur once a month on Saturday, so hit that bell icon if you want to get notified when a project is posted. Until then, happy crafting! Bye guys!